MULN stock down 40% on June 8, 2023 from where it was on June 5th. People are losing money left and right on MULN stock. MULN is trading at 46 cents as of 12:42 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel because I've won 26 out of the 30 trades I called out on this channel, and we're going to go over some more trades today. The coin money grab coin at $51. We just called that stock out 2 days ago at $51. The stock rallied to $54.65. That's $365 profit if you took the trade. We won a number of different trades in the private Discord on IHRT, HOTH, $400 profit for Abe, $750 profit for Clamps, and $500 profit for Kiana Cutie. Our private Discord is as good as it gets. Bull trap on MULN stock. This is why I don't like MULN stock, and why MULN stock is a stock that I've been warning you not to buy and instead to get out of as soon as possible. If you knew which stocks in the stock market were going to go up before they went up, you wouldn't be losing money on MULN stock, you would be making money on Tesla stock. Here's how I predicted that Tesla stock would rally before the market even went up and signaled my private Discord. I also just placed a trade on Tesla. And I was just filled. Tesla pushing back the high up to my next profit target. $13 per share profit on your Tesla shares. $13 per share profit on 1,000 shares is $13,000. Now that is expensive to buy that many shares of Tesla, but even if you just buy 100 shares, 100 times 13 is $1,300 profit. So yes, we do win a lot of trades here in the Rocket Trader Pro group, and that's why I'm so confident that if I can show you how to start winning trades with a free one-on-one coaching call, you'll want to join my private Discord so you can get a lot more work done for you and win a lot more trades. I expected a small bounce on MULN stock, and we got that small bounce in the form of a bull trap. MULN rallied from 80 cents to $1, but that was just to lure traders in. A bull trap is when banks pump a stock temporarily in order to lure you and other traders into buying the stock, thinking that the stock is going to short squeeze, when in reality the stock is going to fall much lower. Therefore, MULN was not a good trade, and it never was, which is why I asked traders not to buy the stock. Also, fake news. A lot of fake news on MULN stock. A lot of news that comes out just for the purposes of luring more traders into buying the stock. When you see a lot of news and a lot of positive strength news, everything looks so good, right? You want to buy the stock. There's so many people that are hyping the stock. There's a lot of YouTube traders who are paid off who are hyping the stock, and it's so bad for you because these traders are not actually trying to help you. They're trying to get you to buy the stock because they receive money from banks in return. Therefore, this fake news that's constantly coming out on MULN stock saying that it can short squeeze is actually there to mislead you into buying the stock so that professional traders can short the stock and make money when the stock drops. Okay, there are traders making money right now, but not people who are buying MULN, people who are selling MULN. Okay. So if you're ready to stop losing money and become a profitable trader, all you have to do is click the link in the description, and you can actually join my group with a free one-on-one coaching call. You're going to receive a full coaching call from me. I'm going to take a look at your portfolio. I'm going to help you escape losing trades at profit. If you ever wanted to get your losses back on certain stocks, if you ever wondered where your stocks were headed next and how you can actually make back your losses, this is the perfect coaching call for you. It's 100% free. All you have to do is apply using the link in the description, and we can go from there. I am watching BYND stock, Beyond Meat. I am not so confident in the stock that I will tell you to buy the stock, but I'm taking a look at Beyond Meat at around $13. I'm not going to give you the details because those are for my private Discord only, but I will say that Beyond Meat is an interesting stock to look at, and I'll leave it at that dubious statement for now. Let's take a look at some of the stocks that I traded today on June 8th, 2023 with this special live trading event. Enjoy. What is up, guys? It is Coach Coda, your day trading coach, and today I am going to show you how to day trade successfully and profitably and how to make money in the stock market. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe using the link in the description. We're taking a look at Tesla today, stock ticker TSLA, stock ticker CVNA, stock ticker DKNG. Okay, these are our main stocks that we're taking a look at today. I also just placed a trade on Tesla. And I was just filled DraftKings as well. Tesla pushing back the high up to my next profit target. $13 per share profit on your Tesla shares. $13 per share profit on 1,000 shares is $13,000. Now that is expensive to buy that many shares of Tesla, but even if you just buy 100 shares, 100 times 13 is $1,300 profit. So yes, we do win a lot of trades here in the Rocket Trader Pro group, and that's why I'm so confident that if I can show you how to start winning trades with a free one-on-one coaching call, you'll want to join my private Discord so you can get a lot more work done for you and win a lot more trades. YEXT right here, we're going to buy YEXT. Why? Because this stock has the most confirmation out of any of the stocks on our list. So our first sell target again is going to be $13.48, okay? And then we have a second take profit at $13.86. It is possible that YEXT will hit that secondary profit target later in the day, so we want to keep a good eye on it, okay? We want to keep a good eye on it. So this is YEXT, and as you can see, it's almost at that next profit target, shooting up, boom, filled for YEXT. Okay, so we made money on YEXT stock almost instantly using my trading strategy. All right, so we're up so far. Some heavy selling volume. We need the buyers to come back into this stock really fast. YEXT hit profit target 2 at $13.86 at 8:12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It took a while. It took YEXT a while to reach my second profit target, but it did eventually get there. So we did win this trade as well. Carvana stock. So Carvana stock is at 1827. Right, it's had some really good price action today. So we bought Carvana stock around $18.50 and we got a rally to $26.09. That's $7 in profit on an $18 stock, which is about 30% increase and would lead you to make about $7,000 profit on 1,000 shares. This is the kind of trades we like to take in the Rocket Trader Pro Discord. And this is also why, again, schedule that free coaching call. If it doesn't work for you, you don't lose anything. In fact, you gain something and it doesn't cost you a single dime. I'll see you guys there.